So, let's take a look at this question. In order to solve this rational equation, reduce the fractions and then solve for the variable. Since it is impossible to divide by 0, the denominator of the fraction cannot equal 0. Just set the denominator highlighted not equal to 0. We obtain x is not equal to 0. Solve this linear inequality for the domain of x. So the solution of this linear inequality is x is not equal to 0. Then we can get x is not equal to 0. Eliminate the fractions. We should find the least common denominator of all fractions in given equation, and multiply both sides. According to the definition of least common denominator, the least common denominator is x. Multiply both sides by x. Then we can get x times x plus 1 over x times x is equal to 5x. Divide out common factors in the expression. Then we can get x times x plus 1 is equal to 5x. Calculate this expression. Then we can get x squared plus 1. Calculate x squared plus 1 is equal to 5x. So we get the result this equation. Check if the solution is in the defined range. Then we can get this equation. The solutions are this equation. Bravo! You solved this question.